Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Our model problem is 324 times 75. I'm Mr. Camilleri, and this is the Mr. Camilleri Show YouTube channel. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve this problem. So I want you to think of this as a bunch of separate single-digit multiplication problems where you regroup if the product is 10 or more. So we are going to start out by multiplying the numbers in the ones place, 4 times 5. And if our product is more than 10, we have to carry over the numbers to the next place. 4 times 5 equals 20, so that product is more than 10. So the 0 and 20 is going to go in the ones place. The 2 is going to get carried over to the tens place. Next, we're going to multiply 2 times 5, and then the 2 we carried over, we have to add that to our answer. So 2 times 5 equals 10, plus 2 equals 12. So the 2 and 12 goes in the tens place. The 1 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 3 times 5 equals 15, plus 1 is 16. So far we have multiplied 324 times 5. Now we need to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. So 4 times 7, well, before we even do that, we have to put a 0 in the ones place because both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. So we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. Then we multiply 4 times 7. 4 times 7 equals 28. So the 8 and 28 goes in the tens place. The 2 and 28 gets carried over to what's going to be the hundreds place down here. 2 times 7 equals 14, plus 2 equals 16. So the 6 and 16 goes in the hundreds place. The 1's going to get carried over to what is going to be the thousands place. 3 times 7 equals 21, plus 1 equals 22. And now to get the final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. So starting in the ones place, 0 plus 0 equals 0. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 0 carry the 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Plus 6 equals 13. 3 carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Plus 2 equals 4. And 0 plus 2 equals 2. And we have our final answer. 324 times 75 equals 24,300. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right, I'm going to do one more multiplication problem, and then we are going to call it a video. Shout out to everybody tuning in. All right, 524 times 48 now is going to be my next problem. So again, think of this as a bunch of separate single-digit multiplication problems where we regroup if our product is 10 or more. 4 times 8 equals 32. That product is more than 10. So the 2 and 32 goes in the ones place. The 3 gets carried over to the tens place. 2 times 8 equals 16. Plus 3 equals 19. 9. Carry the 1. 5 times 8 equals 40, plus 1 equals 41. Next step, we multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. 4 times 4 equals 16. 6 carry the 1. 2 times 4 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. Now we do not need to regroup there because our product is less than 10. 5 times 4 equals 20. And now for the final step, we're going to add these two numbers together to get our final answer. So 2 plus 0 equals 2. 9 plus 6 equals 15. 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Plus 9 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. One plus 4 equals 5. Plus 0 equals 5. And 0 plus 2 equals 2. And we have our final answer. 524 times 48 equals 25,152. Alright, that is my video for today. Before I close the live stream, just a few final words. Really focus on mastering your single-digit multiplication problems if you haven't already. Math is a lot easier if you know your single-digit multiplication facts. If you know fact families 1 through 10, it makes it a lot easier once you get to multi-digit multiplication. If you have not mastered your single-digit multiplication facts, definitely I would recommend getting a multiplication table. Go on to Google, just type in multiplication chart, multiplication table. Something should pop up. You can print that out, or you can just simply take a picture of it or screenshot it if you're looking it up on your phone. But definitely I would recommend getting as fluent as possible with your single-digit multiplication facts, because everything builds off those foundational skills. But that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off. Have a great day, and God bless.